For more than a century, the Titanic has remained untouched.
Every machine here was built for one purpose.
Today, a team attempts what the world never dared. No one believed this could ever happen.
Restoring the Titanic from 0 to 100.
People thought Titanic would never be touched again.
Tonight, history may change.
Stay with us till the end. Like and subscribe to witness the impossible.
Descending 12,500 feet below the surface.
There she is.
The Titanic, frozen in time.
This is 0% total decay. This is 0% total decay.
No one expected this. Untouched wealth, buried for over 100 years.
The restoration begins now.
This changes everything.
But treasure was not the real mission.
Every move could destroy everything.
This is 0% total decay.
The Titanic, frozen in time.
This changes everything.
But treasure was not the real mission.
The restoration begins now.
Piece by piece.
Every move could destroy everything.
After a century, it sees light again. The past meets the future.
Restoration has a cost.
Every detail matters. From ruins to remembrance.
The heart beats again.
A legend reborn.
$100%.